For the ladies that's been sleeping on okra gel to support length retention, this video is for you. This simple recipe is a powerhouse when it comes to your healthy hair growth journey, so keep watching. Hi ladies, and welcome to the channel. I am so glad you're here. I wanted to share this recipe because I am always looking for cost-effective, quick and easy ways to support the health of my hair, and I know you are too. Now, while I'm preparing this okra gel recipe, did you know the mucilage, that's the silky gel inside of okra, coats the hair shaft, helping your hair feel softer and more manageable? Well, honey, yes, it does. That mucilage offers 5 awesome benefits. 1, it offers deep moisture and slip. 2, curl definition without the crunch. It's kind of like flaxseed gel, but lighter and more hydrating when it comes to defining your curls. 3, reduces frizz because the gel soothes the cuticle, which helps tame flyaways and humidity-induced frizz. 4, it makes your hair stronger because okra contains vitamins A, C, K, plus foliage and antioxidants to support hair health and reduce breakage. And finally, that slippery texture calms your scalp irritation and help retain moisture on your scalp. Now, before we get into the recipe, can I get a like? And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell so that you will never miss another video. So now here's the recipe. 1, I use 18 washed pods, cut away both ends, and then I slice the pods into smaller pieces. Using 2½ cups of water, I let it boil for about 10 minutes or until the liquid becomes thick and slippery. Now once it's ready and while hot, I use a cheesecloth to separate the gel from the pods. So here's my trick to prevent burning my hands. Underneath the gloves are my winter gloves. Problem solved. And do know, your girl is not tossing these pods. I'm placing them in the freezer to add to my black bean recipe for a later time. Why? Because we waste absolutely nothing over here, honey. Now finally, the next ingredients are optional. While letting the gel cool, I liquefied about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to help penetrate more moisture, a tablespoon of sweet almond oil to increase elasticity of the hair shaft and nourish the scalp, 10 drops of lavender essential oil to stimulate hair follicles, increase blood circulation to the scalp, and reduce stress-related hair loss. And oh boy, do I need some of that. Now look how beautiful this gel is. It's ready to apply and it can last in the refrigerator for about 7 to 10 days, but in the freezer, this puppy can last up to 3 months, and that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm using ice trays so that I can thaw them individually as I need to use them along the way. Now here's 3 ways you can use okra gel. 1, as a styling gel, just apply to damp hair for more curl definition. 2, as a leave-in conditioner by using a small amount, then seal it with the oil or butter. And 3, a scalp treatment by massaging it into your scalp before styling. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Let me know if you knew that okra gel could support your hair growth journey, or if you've been using it, how you tweak your recipe, and share your thoughts with the community. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe so we can get this channel to 10,000 subscribers in 2026. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one.